Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Priest River, local and long distance movers near me. We give you a lot of options for your long distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. It doesn't matter if you need to move one state over or several states away, we offer the help you need. Our moving team will make sure you get there faster without all the trouble. Let us make your relocation easier by taking away the heavy lifting off your shoulders. When you need to move locally, hiring an Idaho moving company just makes sense. The right movers will make sure to avoid the hard work and save you a ton of time. Wouldn't it be nice to move into your new location with energy and plenty of time to spare? With 3 Movers, you get the streamlined moving services you need. We know how to make sure you get to where you need to be faster and easier. Our team can handle any size move in less than 1 day, often in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Priest River moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.